Welcome to my channel and let's discuss the SMT10 today. I want to talk through the most important updates that you can do to your SMT10 to make it more durable, and if you like me also running a brushless system. I'm not going to talk through the full spec list, you can find it in the description, but I'll try to highlight the key changes I've done. I've been going through a lot of trial and error with this truck to get it to the point where it is now. This is not an X-MAXX. If you keep that in mind, respect its limit, this can be an enjoyable truck. Let's talk about the suspension. For starters, I'm using the Swaybars on both ends of the vehicle, and I've switched to the stock shocks on the axle. However, that's a personal preference. I just like the shocks better on that axle. I'm using the stock shocks. I've rebuilt them using different valving, 30-weight oil, purple axial springs and different O-rings to keep them leak free. You can see in the next shots that it's really soaking up the landings instead of bouncing around, which you can see in my older videos. One common failure for the SMT10s is that the wheel nuts become loose. Ever since I started using serrated wheel nuts, this is a thing of the past. Another improvement that I've done is improve the drive shafts. The stock ones can bend very easily. Using a M3 threaded rod, I'm using a Chinese no-name aluminium transmission with steel gears, axial HD ring and pinion gears for the differentials, improved axial shafts for the front axle, but except for the beef tubes, the rest of the driveline is pretty much stock. One final keynote, I try to keep my SMT10 as light as can be. If you can have a light truck, that will equal lighter forces when crashing and thus less breakage.